Hi, welcome to our math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on conditional probability. All right, a pair of fair die is rolled. What is the probability that the number landing uppermost on one of the die is a 5? Okay, this is done a little bit more easily visually, but visually takes a little bit of work. Okay, so you could roll a 1 and a 5, a 2 and a 5, a 3 and a 5, a 4 and a 5, a 5 and a 5, or a 6 and a 5. That's 6 options. You could roll a 5 and a 1, a 5 and a 2, a 5 and a 3, a 5 and a 4, a 5 and a 5 we already have, or a 5 and a 6. That's another 5 options. So we have a total of 11 options where at least one of the die has a 5. Now, the total number of options for 2 die is 6 squared, so there's 36 total options. So 11 out of 36 is our total probability that at least one of the die has a 5. Okay. So this is not conditional, this is just pure probability. Knowing the sum of the dice is 6, what is the probability that the number landing upmost on the first die is 5? Okay, so let's do what we just did there, 6. 1 plus 5 is 6, 2 plus 4, 3 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 5 plus 1. So if we look, there are exactly 5 options that add to 6. So first I laid out my total new sample space. And so this is what conditional probability is. It's when instead of having a full sample space of 36, I restrict my sample space. In this case, I restrict it to these 5 options. So instead of taking it out of 36, I'm taking it out of 5. Okay. Uppermost of the first die is 5. Well, that's only that one option because it says the first die, not either die, just the first die. So there's a 1 in 5 chance that the first die is a 5 and the sum adds up to 6. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.